In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. To get started, log in to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand menu and click the Create button. From the options that appear, choose Landing Page. This is where you will begin building a page designed to capture leads, promote a product, or guide visitors toward a specific action. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to enter a name for your landing page. This name is mainly for your own reference, so make it something clear and easy to recognize later. After that, choose an audience list from the drop-down menu. This is important because it connects your landing page to the right group of contacts, especially if you are collecting signups. When both fields are set, click Begin to move forward. Now you will be taken to the template selection area. Here, choose a pre-designed template that fits the goal of your page. For example, if you want to collect email subscribers, a lead generation style template may work best. If you are promoting a product or service, pick a design that highlights visuals and calls to action. Starting with the right template can save time and make the editing process much smoother. Once the template opens, you can start customizing it using Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor. This is where your landing page really comes together. You can add, remove, or edit content blocks such as text, images, videos, and sign-up buttons. Take your time here and make sure the content is clear, focused, and easy for visitors to understand. It helps to keep your message simple and make the main action, like signing up or clicking a button, easy to spot. After your content is in place, go to the Style tab on the side panel to adjust the overall look of the page. Here you can change fonts, colors, and background images to better match your brand or campaign. Try to keep your design consistent and readable, so the page looks polished and professional. Before publishing, preview your landing page in both desktop and mobile views. This step is especially important because many visitors will likely view your page on a phone. Check that your text is readable, your images display properly, and your buttons are easy to tap. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your landing page go live. Mailchimp will then provide your public URL, which you can share anywhere you want to drive traffic. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.